Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into one of the most exciting updates to the Bonk bot, limit orders. Whether you are a seasoned trader or just getting started, this feature is a total game changer for trading meme coins on Solana. So let's jump right in. First off, what's a limit order? Unlike market orders, where trades happen instantly at the current price, limit orders let you set price you want to buy or sell. So it actually helps you set the price you want to buy and the price you want to sell. The bot will wait until the market reaches your price. So no more overpaying or selling too cheap. This is especially handy for volatile coins like meme coins, where timing is everything. Example, set a buy order at 0.05 so even if the price is currently at 0.06 so it will only trade when your price is reached. So you don't have to worry yourself. Then let's get into how to set a limit order. Now, open your Bonk bot on Telegram and make sure you are logged in. If you don't know how to set up your Bonk bot, I refer to the above video previously where I explained everything on how to set up a Bonk bot and how to trade on Bonk bot. So if you don't have a Bonk bot before now, refer to the video above. Okay, let's continue. The limit order. Okay, now I want to teach you how to use the limit order. Let's assume you want to buy this token. Let me paste the contract address. This is cold guy. This is a meme coin on Solana ecosystem. So let's assume I want to buy this cold guy, but I don't want to buy it at the current market price. I don't want to buy it as this current market price because maybe you feel the price is too high for you to buy that. It will still drop before the major run. And maybe you will not have the time to stay on your screen to watch it when it falls. Then all you need to do is to touch this limit. You can see it on the screen. Once you touch the screen, watch, you see everything have changed. As you touch the limit, you see what happens on the screen. You see limit by 5 so, limit by X so. So all you need to do is just type what this means is how many so do you want to use and make this purchase. Let's assume if you check my wallet balance, you will see I have 0.61 so as my balance here. So I will not be touching this limit by 5 so because I don't have up to 5 so. And even if I have up to 5 so in this wallet, I will not be using it. So all I need to do is to touch this limit by XO. So this XO means if when you touch the XO, you can actually put 1 so, 0.1 so, 0.001 so, 0.1, 0.2, 1, anything you want to use. So let's touch limit by XO. So they're asking me how much so do I want to buy with. So let me just type 0.1. I want to use 0.1 so to buy. So now they said enter a trigger for your buy order in any of the following ways: market cap in K, millions or billions. Do you get? Price in USD, multiple X, it depends on the one you want, percentage change. So the current market cap is this. And it told you the current market cap is 610. While we were here, it was 645. But if you refresh it, you will see that it dropped. You know, it used to fluctuate because the market is very volatile. So currently it has changed to 16 616. So they told the current market price is this, and current price is 0.03609. So they say enter a trigger for your buy order in any of the following. So I'll be using market cap. Do you get? So I'll just type market cap when it gets to maybe 300K. Do you get? Do you get? So it's already set for me. Buy deep. You actually want to buy deep. You sell high, you buy deep, you sell high. So buy deep cold guy amount. I will be using 0.1 SOL to buy at 300k market cap. So once it gets to this market drops and it drops to 300k market cap, the order will buy for me. It will just buy for me with the quantity of Solana I want to use. So it's asking me to confirm. I'll touch confirm. They say cold cold guy buy dip successfully placed. Do you get? Do you understand now? So and they've already you can actually cancel this. Maybe at a time you feel like, oh, I don't want this order to continue. Let me cancel it. You can see where cancel is here. You can see this place. Once you touch it, the order will cancel. Now, they gave us different options when we were buying. They said is either you use the current price. Me, I prefer using market cap because when you use current price, you might make a mistake when you are trying to place the zeros here. Because if you watch, someone that no know might just think this thing is 0.03609. No. If you type this, you are even wrong, you'll be buying high. So I is this thing is supposed to be 0.0 zeros in three places, then 609. So if you don't know, you can just go and type 0.03609 and you will make mistake and the thing will go and buy for you high. So in order not to make such mistake, I prefer using market cap. It's very easy for me to use. So you just type the market cap, confirm, or you use okay now that you've set your limit order for buying the token. If later the thing eventually buys for you and you want to sell, do you get? So now they say you can see limit sell, limit sell 100%. Let me say you actually the 0.1 so actually your order actually entered and you want to also set it when it should sell for you. Maybe you are the busy type, you might, or even if you're not the busy type, but you will not be on your phone at that moment in case maybe you're sleeping. So all you need to do, if you want it when it buys, once you get to 100%, it should sell for you. Then you can actually set it here. Limit sell 100%. So just touch it. Let me explain before I will touch it. Limit sell 100%. That's if you want it to sell 100% for a coin that actually bought for you at 300k market cap. Once it gets to 600k market cap, it should be able to sell for you. That's 100%. Then you don't want 100%, maybe you want 200%, 300%, you can actually touch this sell X%. You will now use your hand to put how many X you want to put, like if how many percent you want. If you want 1000%, 2000, of which is not on the screen here, you can actually use your hand to put that. Then you want this sell 50% at 2x. Let's assume you don't want to sell all your bag. Let me say that 0.1 actually bought maybe 100k, 100,000 cold guy token for you. And when you want to sell, you don't want to sell all your 100,000 cold guy. That you want to sell maybe 50% of your 50% of your cold guy token. All you need to do is to touch this sell 50% at 2x. So once it's 100% for you, that you should not sell all your coins, you should just sell half. This is when you use this sell 50% at 2x. Then or you want sell 100% at 4x. This is actually 400%. Once the thing buy for you at 300k market cap, then maybe the thing start pumping. When it gets to 600k, it's already 1x. When it gets to 900 is 3x, 2x. When it gets to 1.2 million is already 3x. When it gets to 1.5 million, that's already 4x. Abi, am I right? I should be right. But that is what I'm trying to explain. So sell 100% of whatever token he bought for you at 300k market cap whenever it does like 4x. Do you get what I'm trying to say? So that is it by that. You can see these features that are having padlock here are coming soon. They've not still working. So that's why I'm not be explaining those ones. You can see this one. Auto strategy coming soon. DCA coming soon. So, and there you have it. The new limit order feature on Bonk makes trading smarter and easier than ever. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more updates and tips on trading with Bonk. Got question? Drop them in the comment section and I will see you in my next video. Happy trading, guys. Bye.